This is Elizabeth with WTI, and cherished memories are truly priceless. And that's why you want to make sure you have those memories forever. Things like negative films, the 35 millimeters, those we don't want to go to waste. So check out the KLIM K2 mobile film scanner. That way you can develop all your films right from your own home. This product is very easy to use and compactable. That means that it's easy to unfold, set up, and take anywhere that you want. This is going to act as a light box, and with any negatives, a good light source is always highly recommended. You need this light box to be able to illuminate your negatives in the proper way so they can be digitized. This scanner holds your negatives firmly in place with the light, and on top you will add your phone, and it will sit perpendicular in the perfect way to capture your photographs. They have a free app that's going to assist you in the scanning process. The app is easy to use. You will see it initially in the inverted negative colors. Once you take the photographs, you can then scan it. You can crop it, you can edit the colors, you can even add filters, and after that you save it and you have all your photos on your phone. Memories are priceless, and that's why they're actually worth an investment. They're worth taking the time to digitize your photographs. With this easy-to-use product from the K2 scanner, that means you can take this anywhere with you. All you need is this scanner that's going to act as a light box, and then your phone, which you can download the free app. After all of that, you can digitize your photographs anywhere that you are, and you can cherish those memories forever. And that's my point of view.